friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josy. If you are new here, welcome back. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you wouldn't miss any of my videos. My shout outs go to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. If you are hanging out with me on YouTube, you more or less also check my Instagram app. I'll leave the handle on the screen below. Thank you so much. The new year is here and most of you want to live a healthy lifestyle. In today's video, I want to share with you 6 simple ways that you can love and like to eat healthy. Eating nutritious food is a simple way of living a healthy lifestyle. But no matter how your diet is clean or how many of servings of living greens that you eat in a day, you still need some kind of little improvement in your nutrition habit. The secret of healthy lifestyle become very enjoyable if you take it slowly and also stick to it as a long time healthy lifestyle. My number 1 way is to slow down and practice mindful eating. Most of the time when people are doing mindful eating, it means that you can eat whatever you want, but you have to watch and slow down when you are eating. It's kind of a catchy out there. It means that whatever you see, whatever you get hold of, whether it's good or bad, you can still eat it. But if you are mindful of what you are eating, and you slow down, you realize that some of the food that you are eating, they are not good for your body, or you just need a smaller amount so that you wouldn't overeat it or you wouldn't overdo it. So when you slow down and you practice a mindful eating, it helps you so that you check whatever you are putting in your mouth or whatever you are putting in your plate before it go inside your body. Let's say you like a lot of rice, which is a lot of carbohydrate. What you can also do to be mindful for eating a lot of rice is that you just do a little bit at a time. Or you can also be mindful to eat maybe once a week, you're going to eat a bowl of rice because that's what you love eating most. So being mindful or practicing mindful eating really help if you are living a healthy lifestyle. It means that your mind is telling you not to cut down away all the stuff that you enjoy, but it helps you so that you wouldn't eat everything, and it also helps you not to crave stuff that you stop eating when you want to practice a healthy lifestyle. My family and I, we like enjoying ice cream a lot, but because ice cream is not good for us, I prefer going maybe once a month to go to ice cream joint to just grab an ice cream, then we will eat it, than to have the ice cream in my fridge. Then every time we see it, then we are going to eat it. It means that we are practicing mindful eating. We are not going to eat it every day, but once a while, we will eat it so that we wouldn't crave it a lot. So practicing mindful eating or slowing down really helps when you want to live a healthy lifestyle. My second way is to eat more vegetables by roasting them. When it comes to eating healthy, a lot of people will tell you that adding vegetables to your diet is one of the best way. For all the diets in this world, everybody has one saying, eat a lot of vegetables. But how you eat your vegetables helps you a long way. Because remember, we are taking it step by step. And it's a long term, not a short term. So most of the time, you intend cooking our vegetables. One of the best ways to also eat your vegetables, apart from cooking them, is to roast them. When you roast them with like olive oil, it elevates the flavor and also the taste. So do well by roasting your vegetables and it will help you eat a lot of vegetables. So one of the things that I've been doing for my vegetable to have extra flavor is that I've been adding garlic powder, a little bit of salt, olive oil, and at times I'll add ginger powder to most of my vegetables and I'll roast them. It makes me eat more of it because of the taste. And it really tastes good as well when you smell the flavor. So twist your vegetables a little bit by roasting them, and it will really help you to eat more vegetables. Talking about adding a little spices to your vegetables to roast them, my next point is that take advantages of spices. When it comes to spices, it brightens the flavor and also give another taste to the food that you are eating. Of late, I like experimenting with a lot of spices when I'm cooking. When you add some spices like ginger, turmeric, it also has some anti-inflammatory properties. So apart from eating healthy or making your food spicy, it also helps you when you have a lot of inflammatory issues. And one thing is that adding spices to your food makes the food come alive, because you realize that it smells so good. It also makes you slow down while you are eating, because you like the smell of the food. So take advantages of adding a lot of spices to your food. My fourth point is to add, but don't subtract. I know a lot of you want to eat healthy, but you are taking out a lot of stuff from the food that you've been eating a long time. When you start doing dieting, most of the time they will tell you, take this out from your food, you don't have to eat that, you don't have to eat this. And it's a new year. You've already made your list of taking a lot of stuff from your diet. But to me, I think that everybody is different. Or when you start a healthy lifestyle, I don't want you to take anything out. Just add. By adding some stuff to your diet, gradually, you will take some stuff out. So don't just take stuff from your diet. Instead of taking a lot of stuff from your diet, try and add a lot of healthy food to your diet, like fruit and vegetables, legumes, like beans. Just try and add those. And as you do that, it will help you eliminate stuff yourself. For you to make eating healthy a very easy one for you, don't subtract anything from your diet from the beginning. Add a lot of healthy, nutritious, dense food, and it will really help you in the long run. So for me, because I don't want to eliminate a lot of stuff that I love or I'm used of eating, like when it comes to snack, there's a lot of sugary snack out there. So for me not to just eliminate my sugary snack that I've been enjoying most of the time, I started adding nuts as my snack. So most of the time I don't have to eat my sugary snack, I will eat nuts instead. So don't take anything out, or don't take a lot of stuff out. It will really not for a long term. It's just for a short term. But rather add some nutritious, dense food, like fruit and vegetables, nuts, beans, and many more. And it will really help as you take this lifestyle journey for a long term. My number 5th way for you to love or like a healthy lifestyle is that make a meal prep part of your routine. I always tell my clients that meal prep is one of the magic. If you add meal prep to your healthy lifestyle, it goes a long way. Because while you are preparing the meal, you know what is going inside your food. If it's good or bad, you will know. And it also help you enjoy the healthy lifestyle that you are going. Most of the time when we buy food outside or when we buy processed food, it contains a lot of salts, a lot of chemicals. But when you cook it yourself or you meal prep it yourself, you most of the time eliminate most of the chemicals and the salts that they put in. Make meal prep part of your routine as you take healthy lifestyle as a journey. Talking about meal prep, you always have to set an aside a day or a time in a week that you want to meal prep. It makes you look forward to it when the time is coming. Me, for instance, I like meal prepping early Sunday morning if I'm not going to work. I always look forward to that day because when I'm meal prepping, I'm listening to music, podcast, and some other stuff, talking to friends. So it makes me look forward to it. And as I learn to meal prep, because I don't want to do one style food, I learn a lot of new food, and I'll also learn a new stuff because I know what I'm adding to my food. I know what is going inside my food, and I know what I'm going to put in my body. So make a meal prep a routine as you take this long-term journey to live a healthy lifestyle. My last way to love and like to eat healthy is to try new recipes. As I talk about meal prep, it's one of the ways to help you learn new recipes. And also, if you want to live a long-term healthy lifestyle, trying new recipes make you not get bored with the same food that you be eating all the time. There's a whole lot of ways that you can try new recipes. Even if you don't know anywhere to go or you don't want to buy cookbooks, just go to YouTube. I have a lot of recipes that I've talked about it previously on this channel. There's a lot of recipes that people are showing on YouTube. You can go for them and you will have a new way of eating a healthy lifestyle. And also, if you constantly continue to try new recipe and meal prepping, it doesn't make you bored. So it makes eating healthy enjoyable. And you also try new flavors as well. Once in a month, I try to switch some of the food I've been eating a long time. And it has made me go ahead of my games by trying new foods and new recipes. So add that one to your lifestyle, and it will really help you love and like your healthy ways. I just want to take this opportunity to thank all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the family. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you wouldn't miss any of my video. Thanks for watching me today. I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.